In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list on Wayfair catalog step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right portal, choose the right upload method, download the correct template, and submit your products with confidence. First, open your browser and search for Sell with Wayfair. This takes you to Wayfair's supplier or partner portal, which is where all catalog uploads happen. Once you're on the correct page, sign in to your supplier account. Make sure you have your credentials handy and that your account has the right permissions to add products. After logging in, head to the catalog or products area and click Add New Products. This is the starting point for creating listings in bulk or in guided mode. You'll be asked to choose between quick upload and guided upload. Quick upload is great if you already know Wayfair's templates and want to move fast, especially for larger batches. Guided upload walks you through the requirements step by step and is ideal if you're new or listing a smaller set of items. Select the option that fits your workflow and click into it. Next, click Download Template. Wayfair's template is a spreadsheet that includes required and optional fields. Before you open it, gather your product data so filling it out goes smoothly. SKUs, product names, clear descriptions, dimensions, and weights, with units, materials and finishes, color, pricing, inventory, shipping details, compliance flags if applicable, and image links that meet Wayfair standards. You'll then be prompted to choose a class. A class is the specific product category, like a dining chair, nightstand, or area rug. Picking the most accurate class matters because it controls which attributes become required for your listing. Once you've found the best match, click Add Selected Class to confirm it. Now click Download Template again to get the class-specific version. This file includes the exact attributes Wayfair expects for that category. Fill it out carefully using the exact formats and allowed values. Tip: keep SKUs unique, avoid special characters in key fields, and stick to consistent units. Save a copy for your records and ensure the file format matches the portal's instructions. When your template is complete, return to the portal and click Upload. Choose your filled template from your computer and then click Submit. The system will start processing your file. If anything is missing or formatted incorrectly, you'll see validation messages. Simply correct the fields in your template and upload again until everything passes. That's it. You searched for the partner portal, logged in, added new products, chose your upload path, downloaded the right template, selected the correct class, and submitted your file. Follow these steps each time you list, and your catalog will go live faster and cleaner.